Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the incredible health benefits of rosemary. You may know rosemary as a popular herb used in cooking, but it offers so much more than just flavor. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of this herb. Number 1. Boosts memory and concentration. Rosemary has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in both animal and human studies. For example, one study found that inhaling rosemary oil for 5 minutes improved participants' performance on memory and attention tasks. Another study found that older adults who took a rosemary extract for 6 weeks experienced significant improvements in their cognitive function. Number 2. Improves digestion. If you struggle with digestive issues, rosemary can be your best friend. It has been found to aid in digestion as it contains compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently. This can lead to reduced bloating, gas, and indigestion. Number 3. Relieves stress and anxiety. The aroma of rosemary has a calming effect on the mind, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. You can use rosemary essential oil or simply inhale its scent to experience its relaxing benefits. Number 4. Boosts immune system. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of rosemary can help protect your body against various illnesses and infections. Number 5. Promote hair growth and beauty. When massaged onto the scalp, rosemary essential oil has been found to stimulate new hair growth by 22%. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp and can be used to grow longer hair, prevent baldness, or stimulate new hair growth in balding areas. It also stops your hair from turning gray, makes it shiny, and keeps dandruff away. Number 6. Blood sugar control. Rosemary may also help to improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. One study found that taking a rosemary extract for 8 weeks helped to lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study found that rosemary extract helped to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals in healthy adults. Number 7. Fights inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for those suffering from conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Number 8. Enhances skin health. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also has antimicrobial properties, making it effective against acne-causing bacteria. Number 9. Treat respiratory problems. The scent of rosemary is known to clear the nasal passages. This makes it effective in treating respiratory congestion. Inhaling rosemary oil can help breathe easier and promote overall respiratory health. How to use rosemary. Rosemary can be used in a variety of ways. It can be added to food, brewed into tea, or used to make essential oil. To use rosemary in food, simply add it to any dish that you would like to flavor. Rosemary is especially good with chicken, lamb, and vegetables. To make rosemary tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves to 1 cup of hot water. Let steep for 5 minutes, then strain and enjoy. To use rosemary essential oil, add a few drops to a diffuser or to a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or almond oil. You can then apply the oil to your skin or hair. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe for more health tips, give a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends and family. Remember, health is wealth. Until next time, stay healthy.